Hi everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter s. So, the lowercase letter s is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plain line, just like a C. So point to the plain line and trace back, and it curves in. Then it goes back again and lands on the grass line, just like that. Okay, let's start down here, tracing the letter S. Start of the plain line, curve back, curve in, and then land on the grass line. Okay, plain line, curve back, curve in, land on the grass line. Plain line goes back, then in, and lands on the grass line. Plain line, curve back, curve in, land on the grass line. Plain line, curve back, curve in, and land on the grass line. So, the letter S. Let's try blue. On the plain line, start there, curve back, then curve in, then go back to the grass line. Okay, curve back, curve in, back to the grass line. Let's say I make a mistake on this and I started the plain line, I curve back, I curve in, and oops, I went too far down, almost to the worm line. So I need to erase that and try again. Okay, let's start the plain line, curve back, curve in, and land on the grass line. Curve, last one. Let's start the plain line, curve back, curve in, and land on the grass line. That is how you practice the letter S. Thanks for practicing.